Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the cable of your Dyson HS01 hairdryer. This process can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you can do it yourself. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of wire cutters. Ensure you have a replacement cable that is compatible with the Dyson HS01 model. Begin by unplugging the hairdryer from the mains. Safety is paramount, so make sure it is completely disconnected before proceeding. Next, locate the screws on the handle of the hairdryer. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently pull apart the handle to access the internal components. Be cautious as there may be wires connected to the handle. If you encounter any resistance, double-check for any remaining screws that may need to be removed. Now, you should see the internal wiring. Take a moment to observe how the existing cable is connected. This will help you when installing the new cable. Using your wire cutters, carefully snip the old cable close to the connection points. Make sure to leave enough length on the wires for the new cable to connect securely. Next, take your new cable and strip the ends of the wires to expose the copper. You will need to connect these wires to the corresponding terminals inside the handle. Typically, the live wire is brown, the neutral wire is blue, and the earth wire is green-yellow. Ensure you connect them correctly to avoid any electrical issues. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with any concerns you may have about the repair process. Once the new cable is connected, carefully reassemble the handle. Ensure that all wires are tucked away neatly to prevent any pinching when you replace the screws. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier and tighten them securely. Now, it's time to test your work. Plug the hairdryer back into the mains and turn it on. Check that it operates smoothly without any unusual sounds or issues. If everything is functioning correctly, congratulations! You have successfully replaced the cable on your Dyson HS01 hairdryer. If you encounter any problems during this process, don't hesitate to reach out. We also offer collection and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your device. Remember, no calls, no travel, just a simple and convenient service. Finally, if you prefer to leave it to the professionals, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Thank you for following this tutorial, and we hope your Dyson HS01 hairdryer is now as good as new. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.